Hold on his hand. Hold right there. Just hold on right there. Look. Here he comes. That's so cool. Look. Here he comes. Austin. Austin, come on. Cool.
Number 475 was originally built for the Norfolk and Western Railroad, which is primarily haul freight trains. In Strasburg in 1991, and after a 2-year-long restoration, he finally returned to service for the first time since being retired by the NAW in the late 1950s. He has been staying on the railroad ever since. Number 475 will be running around our train on the interchange track in just a few moments. Be sure to give our engineer and firemen a really big wave and a cheer as they go by. They really love it. It makes them very happy. And besides, we wouldn't want them to leave us here in paradise now, would we? And all regularly scheduled trains stop at the picnic grove. We maintain the tables, benches, and barbecues. It's a beautiful spot, and all we have to provide is the food. You can get off on any westbound train and return on any... Strasburg Station, where you purchased your ticket, was built in 1882. And originally served the community of East. Thank each and every one of you for riding with us today. Because, after all, it's you who make all of this possible. The ticket you bought not only got you a ride on America's oldest short line, it is also a contribution to preserving the past in our beautiful Lancaster County farmland. Grand Central Station, East Strasburg is next.